Before you buy your next smartphone, stop for just 5 minutes. Because Samsung may have just launched the phone that could make every other mid-range device look overpriced. Imagine getting a 120Hz Super AMOLED display, flagship-inspired design, AI-powered cameras, 6 years of software updates, IP68 water resistance, a huge 5000 mAh battery, and Galaxy AI features, all without spending flagship money. Well, today we're taking a closer look at the brand new Samsung Galaxy A37. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll notice is the design. Samsung has completely refined the Galaxy A37 5G, and honestly, it looks much more premium than you would expect. It comes with a slim frame, a beautiful glossy glass finish, and a stylish camera island with a unique, glazed ceramic look that immediately catches your attention. Whether you choose awesome lavender, awesome white, awesome charcoal, or awesome gray-green, this phone feels modern and premium from every angle. But Samsung didn't focus only on looks. The Galaxy A37 is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, and thanks to its IP68 water and dust resistance, you don't have to panic if it gets caught in the rain or accidentally splashed with water. That's a feature we usually expect from much more expensive smartphones. Now let's talk about the part you'll use every single day, the display. Samsung has equipped the Galaxy A37 with a massive 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. It supports a 120Hz refresh rate, making every swipe, scroll, and animation feel incredibly smooth. With up to 1200 nits of peak brightness and vision booster technology, the screen stays bright and easy to read even under direct sunlight. Whether you're watching YouTube, streaming Netflix, gaming, or simply scrolling through social media, the viewing experience feels rich, colorful, and immersive. Now here's the feature that most people actually care about: the cameras. On the back, Samsung gives you a 50MP main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, and a 5MP macro camera. But the hardware is only part of the story. Samsung has packed this phone with smart AI features that make your photos look better automatically. The improved nightography mode captures brighter and sharper photos in low light. Portrait mode intelligently recognizes your face, hair, skin, background, and even the sky to create professional-looking portraits with almost no effort. The 12MP selfie camera also supports Super HDR video, so your selfies and video calls look brighter, more colorful, and full of detail. And here's something really useful. Accidentally captured unwanted people or objects in your photo? Just open Object Eraser, tap the object, and Galaxy AI removes it naturally in seconds. You also get edit suggestions, where AI analyzes your photos and recommends improvements like removing shadows, increasing sharpness, and improving colors with just one tap. It's like carrying a mini photo editor inside your pockets. Thankfully, Samsung has upgraded the performance too. Inside the Galaxy A37 is Samsung's Exynos 1402 processor paired with a 2.4 GHz octa-core CPU. Samsung says the CPU is around 12% faster, while graphics performance improves by nearly 19% compared to the previous generation. That means smoother gaming, faster app opening, better multitasking, and quicker video editing. The upgraded LPDDR5X RAM helps everything feel even faster, while the larger vapor chamber cooling system keeps the phone cool during long gaming sessions. Whether you're playing PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty Mobile, editing videos, or switching between multiple apps, the Galaxy A37 is designed to handle it confidently. Storage is another strong point. You can choose between 128GB and 256GB, with up to 12GB RAM, plus a dedicated memory card slot for even more storage. This is where the Galaxy A37 starts feeling like a flagship. It comes with One UI 8.5, powered by deeper Galaxy AI integration. One of my favorite features is Circle to Search with Google. Simply circle anything you see on your screen: a pair of shoes, a jacket, a gadget, and Google instantly finds it without leaving your current app. Sharing files is also easier with Quick Share, working not only with Galaxy devices but even with iPhones and Windows PCs. Moving from your old phone, Smart Switch transfers your photos, videos, contacts, and apps in just a few minutes. Samsung is also promising 6 generations of Android, OS upgrades, and 6 years of security updates. That's incredible long-term value for a mid-range smartphone. Finally, battery life. The Galaxy A37 packs a massive 5000 mAh battery that Samsung says can last up to 2 days with normal usage. So whether you're gaming, watching videos, chatting with friends, or working throughout the day, battery anxiety becomes much less of a problem. And when you finally need to recharge, Super Fast Charging 2.0 gives you up to 60% battery in around 30 minutes. That's exactly the kind of convenience people want today. So, is the Samsung Galaxy A37 worth buying? If you're looking for a smartphone that combines a premium design, one of the best displays in its class, AI-powered cameras, reliable performance, excellent battery life, water resistance, and 6 years of software support, then the answer is absolutely yes. Samsung hasn't just upgraded the hardware. It has created a phone that feels smarter, lasts longer, and delivers a flagship-like experience without the flagship price. The Galaxy A37 could easily become one of the strongest mid-range smartphones of the year. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest smartphone reviews, leaks, and comparisons.